Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dominica. It's hard for me to believe that it's only 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, so we are officially in a holiday season pretty much. I don't know how you guys do with the shopping for holidays, but it's going to be a nightmare. So you know, if you want to take a break from all that, if you want to try some new makeup on, here I am trying to give you some ideas. I'm using a little bit of newer to me technique when it comes to applying eyeshadow. Overall, it's a very quick and easy way, so it actually is easier than what you think. It's a specific technique where you're putting product on and then you blend it all in together. I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on YouTube, so I decided to give it a try and it actually works. So I've been doing it probably, I think I've done this 3 times this week, and so I decided, you know what, maybe it's a good idea to share it with you guys. Maybe you guys get inspired with fall colors a little bit. This is exactly what I did. And so if you're interested in learning more about this look, if you like the way it looks, just continue to watch.